Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing for the Dollar Bead box. Now this was for August and I just received it a couple days ago. I don't know why it's late, but I get the check fire polish beads and I get this. I figured I would unbox it anyway, even though it's a little late. So it says, it's got a list of all this stuff here, and it's got the check fire polish beads. I'm not sure if my lighting is good. Oh, these are so pretty. These are so beautiful. So let's see, we got the 3-inch strands and the 4-inch strands. So let me see. Matte turquoise, crystal sage. Okay, these and then those. Matte turquoise. I like when they do the 3 and 4 millimeter. Crystal sage. Lumi. Crystal copper AB sapphire. Wait a minute. Hold on once again. Citrine, vitriol, crystal copper lined AB. Right, that's citrine vitriol. This is crystal copper lined AB. Okay, and the matte sage crystal copper. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the 3 millimeter strand of matte turquoise. It's so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Let me see if my lighting is good here. I feel like it. Okay, I think it's a little better. Second one is the Crystal Sage Lumi 3 millimeter strand. So pretty. Look at that sparkle in there. Okay, and third is the citrine vitriol. That is absolutely gorgeous. You know, those, the AB, the silver with the AB and the yellow in there, like a lemon yellow. So beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that sparkle in there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the crystal copper lined AB. This is so pretty. I love this. This is such a great deal. It's $1 a strand. And I add it onto my box. It's $8 more and you get these, it's $1 a strand. That you can't get these anywhere for $1 a strand. Especially with this quality. They're so pretty. Okay, and then the 4 millimeter strands, we have matte turquoise. This is so pretty. I love that I get these two because you can, you know, combine them to make something and you have different sizes. And the same with this, the Crystal Sage Lumi. So pretty. It's almost like a lime sherbet color. And then this is the crystal copper lined AB. So pretty. Again, get it, the 3 and the 4 millimeter strands. And they're so pretty. Look at that. And then the sapphire copper lined Maria. And you can reorder these. Dollar Bead Bag subscribers can reorder August items through September of 2022. So if you like this strand, you can go on and order as many as you want for $1 each. So these are absolutely beautiful. Put these right here. So Here we have, let's see here. Oh, some beautiful pieces. Oh. Oh, look at these. Let me get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's start with the 5mm check glass lentil in chartreuse with travertine or blue rainbow iris. I would say this is chartreuse. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Chartreuse with travertine. My mouth is dry. I went for a walk this morning and I must have sweat a lot, even though I'm drinking a bunch of water. My tongue is still dry. So these are really pretty. Love, love, love these. You can see these beautiful colors in there. And next is 4mm check glass Druck light jonquil. I think that's what this one was, because the light topaz is the other one. These are really pretty. Can't wait to work with these. 5 by 15mm large hole Celtic block light sage. These are really pretty. They look like Greek keys to me, though. I think I always say that. These are really pretty. And then this is the 4mm check glass Druck in light topaz, 50 pieces. So beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And next is the 5mm check fire polish white and beige opal with travertine. There's really not any, I mean, there's a teeny bit of white in here, but not really too much. This is really pretty. You can see this up close. So pretty. And next is 5 by 8mm check glass spike crystal Maria. These are really cool. So pretty. And the last for the strands is 6 by 6mm check glass Lucerna bicone, either olivine or spearmint green. I would think this is the olivine, maybe. This looks more that color to me than a spearmint. So pretty. These little beads, you know, even if you like do tiny weaved bracelets or whatever, this adds so much texture to the thing that you're creating just because of the different shapes on them. They're so pretty though. Okay, so here we're starting with 15mm check glass primrose matte turquoise with copper wash, 4 pieces. These are so pretty. Love these. There's the hole up there. So pretty. And next is 8 by 10mm check glass cabochons white with confetti. So that's the back, and then that's the front. So pretty. I'm not much of a bead weaver, so I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some kind of a pendant and kind of glue these on. I'll do something with them. I'm not really sure what yet, but I'm excited to see. And next is 17mm check glass table cut square, white, green, dark topaz, and raspberry. That is beautiful. There's the hole right there. I feel like something's wrong with my lighting today. There, it goes from like, gets yellowy and then it gets white again. It's weird. But anyway, this is beautiful. And next are 8 by 12mm check glass leaves, travertine with copper wash, 6 pieces. Now here you have, it's almost like this is like a tealish color, and then that's like an olive color. I don't know if you can see the difference in the beads. but yeah, they have different colors on them, which is what makes them so pretty. So next is 12 by 14 millimeter check glass starburst opaque turquoise 2 pieces. So these are really pretty, and the holes are up at the top, so they run this way. Very pretty. And next, this is a 17 millimeter check glass faceted half drilled cabochon in speckled green. So I would say this is the front, and then there's a hole in the back that goes halfway through. I've never worked with that before. I'm not really sure how you would work with this. I'm not really sure, but that's it. It's very pretty though. I'll figure something out with it. And next is a check glass 2-hole pillow rectangle 14 by 22 millimeter pink travertine or moss travertine 1 piece. So here's the holes up here. It's very pretty. I've been working with a lot of 2-hole beads, so I think I will leave up at the end of this video. I will leave the video at the top in the box at the end. I will show you what I made from all of my 2-hole beads. In case if you missed the video, I made a couple lariats, 2-strand lariats, and just some necklaces, some dagger necklaces, and some really pretty stuff. So if you're interested, then just hit that box up at the top of the right-hand corner at the end of the video. So next is check glass flower, 15 millimeter check glass flower, pale lavender luster 4 pieces. So that's the back, and this is the front. So pretty. And next is a 14 millimeter check glass button bead, white with a deep pink wash, 2 pieces. These are really pretty. One of mine, I think it's this one, does not have a hole in it, which I think is really weird. I think it was supposed to go there because this one has a hole, but the other one doesn't. I'll take like a head pin and try and poke it through. Maybe it's just got some stuff in it, but it's not, so it won't go through. We'll see. Next is 10 millimeter check glass bellflowers, crystal citrus with mulberry, 2 pieces. These are so pretty. Love these. And last but not least, these are gorgeous. 12 by 28 millimeter check glass twisted diamond, pink opal, 2 pieces. These almost have like a purpley AB luster coating on them, even though it doesn't say that, but when you look at them, they definitely look like that. They are so pretty. So that was it for this month's bead box. So let me know how you like it. Let me know in the comments below what you liked. I love these. These are gorgeous. I do love this. This is really pretty too. And I do love these. Love me some fire polish. So thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell below so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because YouTube might not be letting you know that. So if you want to keep up with me, go ahead and do that. And I have my links to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Etsy store below if you want to follow me on any of those. I would really appreciate it. And I will be coming up with some new tutorials soon, so you stay tuned, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.